Hey there! The Brilliant Directories Sync for WooCommerce plugin provides a seamless way to connect your WordPress site directly to your Brilliant Directories website. This powerful tool allows you to instantly sync your WooCommerce customers and automatically create new members in your Brilliant Directories website's database. The real benefit? You can maintain your existing WooCommerce store and its sales processes while seamlessly utilizing Brilliant Directories' robust platform to turn customers into valuable members, manage their data, send targeted emails, and even sell premium memberships. This plugin ensures reliable data storage, centralizing all your customer information within Brilliant Directories. By fully automating the syncing process, you'll streamline your customer management and enhance your marketing capabilities. It's a quick, no-code setup designed to save you time and centralize your customer data. Getting started is easy. First, you'll need to establish a connection between your WordPress website and your Brilliant Directories website. Simply enter your Brilliant Directories URL and paste your API key. If you don't have an API key, you can easily generate one from your Brilliant Directories admin area within the Developer Hub. Once connected, you'll see a successful connection message confirming you're ready to sync. Within the General Settings tab, you'll control the core sync behavior. In Customer Sync Settings, you can choose whether to sync only registered customers or include both registered customers and guest checkouts, giving you flexibility over who gets synced into your Brilliant Directories website. For automated syncing, set your auto sync schedule. You can choose daily, weekly, or monthly intervals to ensure your Brilliant Directories member database is always up to date with your latest WooCommerce customer data. If you need to sync existing customers immediately, the manual sync option lets you do a one-time sync of all your current customers. Finally, the plugin status toggle allows you to easily enable or disable the syncing process whenever you need. Now let's look at the Member Setup tab, where you define how your WooCommerce customers are created as members in Brilliant Directories. You can set a default membership plan ID to assign for all newly synced customers, but it gets even more powerful. Assign plan ID for specific product purchases allows you to map individual WooCommerce products to different Brilliant Directories membership plans. This means a customer buying a specific product can automatically be assigned to a premium membership, for example. The Set Account Status option allows you to choose whether WooCommerce customers are synced into Brilliant Directories as active or inactive members. You can also decide whether to send the welcome sign-up email to new members directly from Brilliant Directories. For better organization and targeted marketing, Assign Member Tag IDs allows you to automatically apply specific tags to your synced customers. And finally, the temp login password logic provides options for how temporary login passwords are handled for these new members. This plugin empowers you to effortlessly turn your WooCommerce customers into Brilliant Directories members, centralize all your customer data, and even sell premium memberships. With its full automation and flexible setup, it's designed to streamline your customer management and grow your online community. Remember, a Brilliant Directories website is required to use this plugin, and if you don't have one yet, you can activate your free trial at brilliantdirectories.com/trial. Thanks for watching. We're excited to see how the Brilliant Directories Sync for WooCommerce plugin helps you grow your business. Happy syncing!